Dear friends, in today's podcast episode, we will learn about happy hormones and how to release these hormones to live happily. Happy hormones are chemicals in the brain that regulate mood, happiness, and overall well being. These hormones play a crucial role in creating positive emotions and reducing stress. Here are the key happy hormones and ways to naturally release them. 1. Dopamine. It is the reward hormone, also known as the feel good hormone. Dopamine is associated with pleasure, reward, and motivation. You can release it by achieving small goals like completing tasks or learning something new. You can release it by celebrating successes, no matter how small it is. Eating foods rich in protein and tyrosine like almonds, bananas, and eggs. Also by exercising regularly. 2. Serotonin. It is the mood stabilizer. This hormone helps to regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. And low levels of this hormone lead to depression. You can release this hormone by spending time in sunlight, approximately 10 to 15 minutes daily. And by practicing gratitude by focusing on things you're thankful for. You can also release it by engaging in mindfulness or meditation. And eating foods rich in tryptophan like nuts, seeds, and salmon. 3. Endorphins. It is the pain reliever. This hormone acts as a natural painkillers and stress reducers. You can release it by exercising, especially cardio or running, and by laughing or watching a comedy movie or YouTube video. You can also release it by eating dark chocolate or spicy foods, and by practicing deep breathing or yoga. 4. Oxytocin. It is the love hormone. This hormone promotes bonding, trust, and feelings of intimacy. You can release it just by hugging or cuddling someone, and by spending time with loved ones or pets. You can also release it by practicing acts of kindness and building meaningful relationships. Now let's learn the practical tips to boost all happy hormones. Get enough quality sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours per night. Maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Stay physically active daily. Engage in hobbies or creative activities. Avoid stress triggers and practice relaxation techniques. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can naturally enhance your mood and overall happiness. Learn our science books to stay knowledgeable, alert, curious, and happy. Link of books mentioned in description of this podcast. Title of our latest science book is Interesting Facts About All Elements of Periodic Table. You can get it from Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press website or app.